In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down to hit Dual Messenger and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then hit Install in the pop-up, confirm in Disclaimer 1, decide if you wish to use a separate contact list thanks to this switcher and picking your contacts, or if you don't want to do that, just go back. Then make sure to select OK in Use Regular Contacts pop-up. Select Next and wait. So when I go back and check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!